Hey there, I'm Jeff Hendrickson from Information Builders, and we're going to go downstairs to the training center in just a minute and show you what a design thinking for BI and analytics bootcamp or workshop would look like. It's going to be a quick little look, but we're going to show you the three main parts of how we make applications work better and how we improve the user experience in our applications. We're going to go through the research part, which is the interviews. We'll show you the interviews. Then we're going to show you how we go through an actual design thinking session to get all of our ideas together to make sure that we head for the right plan. And then three, we're going to show you how we do the wireframes and how we present this back to the user for feedback and possible changes that we might need to make before we go forward. So let's go down to the training center and we'll show you that really quickly. At the beginning of the interview, the only person talking to the user is the primary interviewer. Notice that she isn't taking notes, and that's very important because her job is to focus on the user, to build rapport, which leads to a more honest and open experience for the user. The team partners are taking notes in the interview blueprint, and they aren't asking questions now. Again, very important for the best outcome. They'll get their chance next. So now that the primary interviewer has finished her part, she'll direct the others to ask clarifying questions of the user. This part ensures that we don't have any gray areas and that the user has felt our close attention to her current challenges and problems. Now, in most interview sessions, this will evolve into more of a group discussion, and that's fine at this point because the user has by now warmed up to us and appreciates the attention to detail that we're expressing. You'll also notice the facilitator in the background, listening objectively and ensuring a smooth flow and timely completion. This is what a project level blueprint looks like, and we use these with the stakeholder to get the objective, to find out any blockers, and also to get the names of the users we'll be interviewing. Any other types of important info will come in here too, so that we set the correct scope and define the project correctly. So now that the interview part is complete, we look in as the team is starting their design thinking session. All the notes from the interview get transferred to sticky notes at this point. A good facilitator is watching to ensure short idea point notes are being written rather than complete sentences, and this makes it much easier in the design thinking part of the process. As they get their notes written, they start to put them up on the wall. Now, in this first part, each team member is putting theirs separate from the others. And once all the ideas are up, they start to find commonalities in their notes. Now, you wouldn't think it, but we all hear things from our own perspective and pick up on subtleties that others might not. This type of design thinking process makes sure that we get as much out of the interview as possible to start our prototyping. So now the team has decided on how they want to proceed, and they begin to draw out ideas on a wireframe template. This can be done individually, or the team can all work on one together. If they work separately, they then just compare and move towards what the team feels is the best prototype to show to the user before moving into WebFocus. I find that this tends to be the best method overall. And then now at the very end, we bring the user back in with our example in hand. And the primary interviewer is presenting now, but that's completely changeable. Anyone on the team who feels confident enough can present, and then work through feedback with the user. Most times a user will see this and have a few adjustments they'd like to see. So we'll go back, make those changes, show again, and then we start in WebFocus only when the user has agreed on the direction, design, and content. All right, so there you have it. You saw the three most important steps in any type of a design thinking session when we're trying to build better applications for people, increase the usability, and enhance the overall user experience. So thank you very much for your time, and have a great day.